different user statuses. And it's been this kind of biggest issue, I guess, in the past. So, okay, I'm going to start the recording. And here is a document that I created for you all, test accounts. Here I have multiple active accounts canceled for the first time and canceled for more than one time accounts. When you work on something like a new feature, please log in with these accounts to see the difference between different statuses, right? Because sometimes it's very different. Sometimes there is no difference. So for you as product managers, as UI, UX designers, you have to understand the differences when you design new features or update the old ones. So this is one thing. Another thing is I'm working on the checklist, and Benny and Carolina are reviewing that. So again, there will be some checklist for you guys when you work on a new feature. So you can go through the checklist and kind of just have a reminder that we have our website for different genders. The website can be different for different genders, different statuses. And then we also have a mobile app, right? So when you design or work on something, you have to think whether this feature is gonna affect our mobile app as well. Same with mobile app, as somebody working on the mobile app, they also have to think about the website impact as well. All right, so today we're gonna talk a little about people who canceled their subscription and how people can cancel it. I know that I already showed you unsubscription flow, but we're gonna start there and then dig deeper into person who canceled. np@gmail.com. All right, so this account subscribed just 6 days ago, and I'm going to cancel my subscription. So I go to Profile, Manage Subscription, I click on Cancel Subscription, and the first thing we do, we offer you to have a break. Instead of canceling your subscription, you can have a break. We're gonna continue with cancellation this time. We are not interested in this offer, and only people who haven't canceled in the past see this offer, right? We'll give you a free gift. So if you canceled in the past, we would show you nothing here, right? Because right now we have this logic that this offer is available for people who are canceling for the first time. I'm continuing cancellation. And then let's say I choose one of the reasons and I'm gonna click on cancel my subscription. So I'm not gonna do that because we still wanna keep it as an active subscription. But let's imagine that we cancel and we log in into another account. And I'm gonna use the list. So we wanna look at somebody who canceled for the first time. You can always open incognito window and kind of, you're gonna be able to keep both versions running at the same time so you can see the difference. Okay, so this is our website for a customer who subscribed. And this is the same page for someone who canceled, right? For the first time. So here is the difference. We have this banner here. It says resubscribe now, and we have this gift offer. if you resubscribe. And then we replace some buttons here. For example, here it's resubscribe, here is gift-free cologne. Here we have this banner, here we don't have this banner. These are the main differences on this page. Let's look at other pages. Let's say I'm a person who canceled and I'm just browsing the website. I could come directly or I could come from an email. Let's say I want to just check this perfume. And right now on the product page, we know that I canceled. We have this additional copy, resubscribe now and get this fragrance to your queue, right? And this is how it looks for a person who subscribed. Another difference you may see is that this one has the new design that Kate and Anna V-designed, right? It's a completely new design. This one is the old design. So why it's old? Because Kate only enabled this design for active subscribers only, right? I'm an active here. That's why I still see the old design. And we have a task right now to have this page for inactives as well. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen if I add it to my queue. So as soon as you add your product to your queue, we're going to show this pop-up. Please reactivate your subscription to add to your queue. In order to update your queue, you'll need to resubscribe to Sandbird. We'll sweeten the deal by throwing a free gift into your next order, right? It's a nice incentive. This is what I just added to my queue. This is what I'm going to get as a gift. Both items will arrive in November if I confirm, right? I'm not going to confirm right now. Another difference here that Anna and Kate designed is that you see how in the queue here in November I have just one bottle. Here in November I have two bottles. So here we kind of give you some idea that if you resubscribe in November, you're gonna get this product for free. So we have a gift here, right? And then if you don't want this product in November, you can always put something else in November. There is a little bug here. Okay, so I just updated my queue. Okay, so what's next, right? For a person who canceled their subscription, we send them emails. And right now we send people to this page. And it looks like this. So this page has different offers because email marketers, they control kind of where they want to send traffic to, right? So we have a couple of offers for email marketers, and then they just add these offers to their email. And that's a landing page that gives you $4.95 discount if you choose to resubscribe, right? Very simple page. And I think that Marianne is going to work on a similar page for user acquisition right now, right? And we decided that we're going to feature new arrivals here because some people come who canceled like 6 months ago, right? So they want to learn what's new on Sandbird. Let's see if we have any other offers for these guys. So we have resubscribe free. We tell, welcome back, Sergey, your next month is free. So in this case, you see how by default, if you go to sandbird.com right now, we give you a free gift. So this free gift goes with your subscription. So you have to, when you click on resubscribe, we're going to charge you $14.95. And on top of that, you're gonna get a free gift. And this gift is pre-selected by the operations team, and they change this product every month. Here, we just offer you a 3 months. So if you click on resubscribe now, we're gonna give you your next perfume completely free. There will be no charge for you, right? And then we have another one, I believe. We have another one. It's a 50% discount. And you see how different it is from the previous version. I actually wonder why. Great to see you again, Sergey. 50% discount. Next time, like next month, we're gonna charge you, or like this month, we're gonna charge you $7.45. And these are the perfumes that we kind of recommend for you because they are in your queue right now, right? Because I just updated this one in my queue and I have all this. So basically, we just remind you what you have in your queue. So these are the pages. And as you can also see, the header is different, right? Here we have like expanded header. You kind of can go to any place. Here, we just narrow down your attention. Our goal here is to resubscribe you. So that's what we use for people to just focus on one thing instead of go into tracking number or account. You can always click on the logo and you're gonna go to the main page. Here we have the same logo, right? And that's kind of it. That's the biggest difference for you if you canceled. You can always go to manage your subscription, and there we'll have this banner again for you, so you can resubscribe. We like feature some benefits. We show you that you canceled in October 15th, right? So I canceled this subscription 5 days ago, and this is my next billing date if I choose to resubscribe. So all the kind of necessary information, the dashboard of your subscription. And here I have some products delivered already, but it's kind of same for all kinds of customers at this point. So the biggest difference is that we have all over the website, we have these banners. So we want people to see them in case they want to resubscribe. This is how our mobile version looks like. A big banner on the homepage, gift if you decide to kind of resubscribe. There is another block that is different from a person who has an active subscription, right? So for example, this is how it looks for a person who has an active subscription. And this is how it looks for a person who has canceled subscription. We have this block goes right after shipping address. Here we have popular nodes, right? So here we feature some new arrivals, and you can always see more. And then we see nodes, right? So again, for different statuses, we can design different experiences. And if you work on the redesign or you design something completely new, you have to remember about this, that we have different experiences for different statuses. For example, if you canceled, we don't show you collections, we don't show you skincare, wellness, right? So the list is much more kind of limited, and the main focus here is on new arrivals for this kind of customer. All right. So let's see what else. I don't think there is any other difference here. So everything else is pretty much the same for a person who canceled right now. Let's look at the person who canceled for more than one time. We have another account here. And this time we're gonna look back to back.
Does more than one time just mean two or more?
Two or more, yeah, correct. So let's look back to back at the experience. You see, I just logged in incognito, and this is the page that I see. So if you resubscribe, if you kind of canceled more than one time, when you start your experience, you're gonna land on this page, right? This is the page that you see. It's a landing page. But as a person who subscribed, who canceled just one time, or has, yeah, canceled just one time, I see this page. So you already see the difference, right? In this case, I went to this page and I just have this reactivate your subscription offer. So we give you no discount here, right? Because we can't, we just physically can't give you a discount for the second time. And here you have a gift, a free gift. So let's say I don't want to see this offer. I go inside, and this is what I see right now, the difference. So here I see this. Here I see this. I see this banner. I don't see this banner. I see this button, same button. The color is different because this one is logged in under male account. This one logged in under female account. And then everything else is pretty much the same here as for an active subscriber.
What can you tell us, Sergey, though, what's the rationale that the decision was made? Like, why
So
are there
the rationale, just looking, yeah, it's a very good question, Benny. Just looking at this experience, I just understand that Kate didn't think about this case at all when she designed this experience. She didn't think about this experience. Or it's not maybe Kate, it's the team. It's Kate and I guess in this case and the V, because again and that's why we have this walkthroughs, just to understand that we have different scenarios, and just for this particular scenario, there was no update. That's the rationale. I think that.
So the banner on the left should be on the design on the right?
Yeah, so this one has to be here.
And so then why are the rationales though for no offer if they've unsubscribed 2 times or more?
So this rationale I explained multiple times, because right now you can only get a discount once, because people used to game the system.
Oh yeah, that's right.
They were subscribing, resubscribing, subscribing, resubscribing. In our current Vindicea logic, you can either make it available for everybody unlimited number of times or just once. So very black and white.
Got it. So
with Recurely,
go ahead.
With Recurely, once we switch in December, there will be a separate task. There will be some expiration date for this period of time when you cannot get a discount. It will expire, and we will give a discount every 5 or every 6 months, right? So every 6 months, we're gonna give you an opportunity to resubscribe with a discount. So people cannot game the system. They cannot do it every month. but they can do it maybe once every 6 months.
So if they're unsubscribed for at least 6 months, if they come back after that time, they get another offer.
Yes, correct.
Because
Yes.
the theory is, the hypothesis is, if someone's gaming the system, they'll subscribe, unsubscribe a week later, subscribe, unsubscribe a week later. But the
Yeah.
person who waits 6 months is not gaming the system. They've just forgotten.
Right. Correct.
And so
Yes.
on the design on the right, what should happen is there shouldn't be a rotating marquee module, but there should be a module for resubscribe. But that module is resubscribe, but just without any offer.
Yep. Correct. And Anna just sent a message that they actually covered this case. So maybe it was by design, but just looking how different it is, I think that it's kind of not by design, but I'm not sure.
I guess it's a
Because
bug.
the only thing that should be different is offer or no offer.
kind of.
Well, is
So
that
this one was optimized specifically for resubscribe.
yeah?
This one still has resubscribe, but not to the level of customization as this one. But at the same time, they're kind of similar. So I don't see the reason why they should be so much different, because right now they're too different. And then let's just look at other things. So right now, this person has a discount. This doesn't have a discount. This one has a banner. This one just has a resubscribe button. Right? There is no discount for this person. And then you go to this page. If you click on resubscribe, there is no discount. If for some reason, somehow you got this link, let's see what's going to happen. Boom, you cannot get there. Redirection. So we redirect. So it's kind of, again, it's a teamwork, a product manager and a designer. You guys have to think about all these cases. And when you design this landing page, this is what Anna and Kate did. They were like, okay, what's going to happen if somebody gets this link, maybe by accident? What's going to happen? Right, and then we're just gonna redirect them to this page because there is no discount for these guys.
Can you go back to the page that you were just on with the big header that was designed? Just go back, user. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the equivalent of this page on the design on the left?
This.
The resubscribe button.
Oh, I'm sorry. No. I'm sorry. That's the equivalent.
Well, one's men and one. Oh, they're the same. It's just men or women.
Men and women is
Okay.
just here we
offer.
always give a discount. Always.
So the design on this page is the same. It's just one offers, one is not. But the landing page on both, they're different.
Yeah, and there is actually there is a landing page with no discount, even for a person on the left.
Yeah,
right?
Yep.
It's just we don't use it anywhere. We don't send emails.
I just wanted to make sure that an unsubscribed and an unsubscribed more than twice, they should be the same. So thankfully they are.
Okay, they are. Yes, they are. And then the only difference here is that because you canceled for more than 2 times, you cannot see any other offers. Yep. Every time there will be a redirect.
Okay. Right? So, but when you said kinda, really the only difference is offer or no offer. I don't see
offer,
that.
No offer.
No?
Offer, no offer, yes.
Yeah, I don't think there should be no more discrepancies between the two use cases.
Ideally, yes. Yes.
Good.
Yeah.
So
because it is same kind of customer. Just somebody unsubscribed more than 2 times. Somebody left.
It's super helpful when we get into the rebrand to know these things.
Yes. Yeah. Because once we do rebrand, we're gonna go through all these cases. Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay, so that's kind of it. That's the journey for a resubscriber. So basically, we just want to resubscribe this person. And every time, let's see what's going to happen here. Please reactivate your subscription to add to your queue. In order to update your queue, we'll need to resubscribe to Sandbird. So you see here, we give you an opportunity to add this perfume to your queue. But every time you add it to your queue, we ask you to resubscribe and just remind you that, okay, if you want to get this perfume, you have to resubscribe. And if you click on resubscribe now.
But you can add something to your cart and check out still, correct?
With the cart, yes, of course.
Because we were talking about this. Yeah, we were talking about this yesterday, how for a unsubscribed customer, they should be able to see the flash sale still because it's a cart purchase, not a queue purchase, not a queue.
Correct. Yes, correct. And you see what I did? I just clicked on button resubscribe now, and I see you're welcome. You have successfully resubscribed to Sandbird. Go to your profile to see your next shipping and billing info. Right? I just resubscribed myself, and I see a flash sale banner right away because we have a flash sale right now on the website running. And you see, I have this banner now because I'm an active subscriber right now. Oh, it's actually a good opportunity to compare two different active accounts, because now I have a fresh new active account. I'm gonna have to cancel it.
Can I ask a quick question before we get started on this new scenario?
Yeah.
So this is someone who just resubscribed on the right, and we're promoting, and now they're subscribed. They're back in, but we're promoting refer a friend. What happens here? Do we still refer a friend? New banner that I designed for flash sale, gift subscription, whatever, and then navigation. Do we stack three things, or do we, how do we do that?
This is the question that I was asking yesterday, and I was telling you that you have to look at different kinds of websites. My proposal was to show this new navigation that you showed yesterday in case when this one is not present anymore. So we have two active subscriptions here. This one doesn't have a banner. This one does have a banner. There is an X at the top. So it works the way that if you close it, it will never appear again, never ever. So here I closed it. That's why I don't see this banner here anymore. So here we can show flash sale and all the other stuff because this one is not present anymore.
Well,
right?
What was the rationale though to create a banner for get a free perfume when there's an icon with a bird to the right of get a free perfume? Like, why have it so prominently two times?
Yeah, so I guess it's not as visible as this banner. It's one rationale. Even though most people come, I believe, from this place, we can look at the numbers. And another rationale was that on mobile, there is no bird, right?
But
so on mobile, we don't have it.
There's the sticker that says free though.
Yeah, there is a sticker that says free, yes.
Okay.
So still, that's why we have to look at the numbers. We can always update some things based on the numbers, and we can always tell, oh, nobody's clicking on this banner. And as soon as we have a proof, not just a gut feeling, then we can always remove it, right? And then if all people click on this badge, we don't need this guy anymore. Yeah. Okay, but you see, they are a little bit different. The only difference is there is a banner, no banner. And then we can cancel our subscription and see what's going to happen. Continue cancellation. Because I already canceled once, so it's okay if I cancel more. Your subscription has been canceled. Please note, all accounts are charged on the 5th of each month, so you will still be charged in this billing cycle. You can choose to receive your final shipment or have the payment refunded. Please note all refunds take 7 to 10 business days. So here we are trying to kind of give you an option because you just resubscribed. You can either get a refund and you're not going to get this perfume, or you can receive this perfume and then cancel your subscription. Because I just resubscribed, right? I can, maybe I want to receive this perfume and then after that I want to cancel. This is what we have right now. But when we launch a 4-wave billing project, we're gonna get rid of this banner and people would have to go to customer support to get their refund. Because right now we're giving too many automatic refunds. And right now, every month we give around $150,000 in
Wow.
refunds. Half of them are automatic refunds because people just click on get a refund, right? So I'm gonna click on get a refund. And then we ask you, we've successfully unsubscribed. Thanks for being with us. Your reviews and review history will be available if you want to come back. And then you can give us some feedback why you canceled. So again, my subscription has been canceled. That's it. Right, I canceled my subscription. Seems like there is a bug after all. Because you see my status right now says that I subscribed and it will be canceled October 20th. Oh, but it is October 20th. Yeah, it's just gonna take some time to cancel the subscription. Seems like it doesn't happen right away. So I'm just gonna double check the backend logic for this case, but it has to be canceled today. So right now, even though I canceled my subscription, I still see my account as an active account. I have to check with developers why it looks like this. Doesn't
I have a small
look right
question.
to me. Yeah.
Yeah. Does it mean that if you cancel your subscription, all the flash sales are still available for you? So you're still like a member of the community that you can buy with discount, but not being the member.
Correct. Yes. So right now, flash sale is available for all kinds of customers. So now I can go to flashsale.com and with this account, let's log into another canceled account.
I think it's unfair. I think the flash sale should be available only for the good guys who've never canceled the subscription.
But that's possibly losing money though from a marketing perspective. Like
yes, but they're buying with a discount.
Yes, they are, but we are usually selling products that are slow movers.
They're slow movers,
we're trying to get rid of them as fast as possible. So if somebody doesn't want to resubscribe, so you see like the biggest difference right now, at least right now, because it can change after we update the navigation. So right now, there is no way you can get on flash sale page. You see, I canceled my subscription and here we have no entry points to the flash sale page.
What about the email? Would you receive the email if you unsubscribed?
It's only the email, and Isamar decides herself whether she wants to send it to resubscribers or not. In the past, she was sending it only to active subscribers in the past. So we've never sent flash sale to canceled or unpaid or leads, only to active subscribers. Right now, we decided to run a test and actually send it to these user statuses. So we're gonna see if it has any impact, because if it does have an impact, we're gonna keep sending it to these people. If it doesn't, then it doesn't make sense to send these emails to people, because we can always send them resubscribe email instead. So there is no entry point. So technically you can still buy it if you have a direct link, but there is no entry point, no pop-up, no nothing for this people in this status. Actually, even right now, for a person who has an active subscription, we have a flash sale running right now, but we have no entry points for the flash sale. So there is no way you can see flash sale. So let me log out from this one and log in to NP. And this one even doesn't have a flash sale pop-up anymore, because I closed it before, right? When I was looking at this on the left, I closed the pop-up, so we don't show it anymore, right? So there is some limitation, like how often we show this pop-up for even active subscribers. So that's why Benny is working right now on the entry point for flash sale, because even as an active subscriber, if you close this pop-up, there is no way you can get to flash sale page. I'm gonna work on the document for you guys that describes the hierarchy of pop-ups on the website, because we have multiple pop-ups and they have their own hierarchy. Because if it's like in code, it looks like a list of pop-ups with the like a particular order, because we have flash sale pop-up, for example, and then, for example, we have review your product pop-up. Review your product pop-up triggers, I believe, 30 days after you received your product, your perfume, or 15 days after. I don't remember exactly. So if on this particular day, 15 days after, you come to the website and we have two pop-ups that are planned for this day. It's a review pop-up and flash sale pop-up. If review pop-up has a higher priority, it will cancel flash sale pop-up, and you're only going to see review pop-up. Same vice versa, right? So if we have flash sale has higher priority than another pop-up, then flash sale is going to cancel another pop-up, right? Because we cannot show two pop-ups at the same time, and even showing two pop-ups one after another is a bad user experience, because you can click exit out from one and then the next one and then the next one, right? It's too many pop-ups on the website.
Showing one pop-up.
Yeah, we have to show just
Arguably
one.
bad user.
Yeah, we just have to choose which one to show. And we always want to show the one that has the biggest impact, or like kind of meets our goals, right? So that's why, for example, maybe it's not the case anymore, but when you log in and you have a canceled subscription, first of all, we want you to see this banner. We don't want you to see flash sale pop up, because you came to the website, we want you to resubscribe. Most likely you came to the website in order to resubscribe, not to buy flash sale. That's why for people who cancel the account, we don't even want to show this flash sale pop-up, right? Yeah, so it's just another reminder that when you design something, work on something new, or redesign something, you have to remember about all these use cases and yeah, cover them all, right? That's important. Okay, so I think I don't have anything else to show today. If you guys have any questions about like active subscribers or canceled subscribers, we can
Sorry,
talk about it right now.
have you mentioned ending point in the catalog for subscribe?
So in the catalog.
Right.
So this is the catalog.
Yeah, you need to scroll down, and in the one of this card,
Oh yes,
you will have
there is one more.
Yes.
This guy, right? Yes.
Is it also in mobile? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's also in mobile. It should be. Yeah. Let's see. Another entry point. Good catch. Yeah. And I think we should show only once. Yeah, just once.
I have a question about type of flash sales and even sales we have, because now we have bundles, and as I understood today on the Jason Wu kickoff, that it can be bundle case plus fragrance or just 2 free fragrances. Do we have like the promo offer rules, what we have, and where can I see the result? It's really interesting what works better, just to provide the better experience for some nice offers we have.
So all the results you can get from Alex Chumakov and Isamar, because like Alex Chumakov is our head of analytics. He can always kind of pull out the data and provide it to you. Isamar should know all the open rates and the number of sales from each campaign. So it's either Isamar or Alex Chumakov. Right now, we do have different flash sale offers. The first one is basically like a full bottle. We can flash sale a full bottle of perfume. We can flash sale an unlimited number of perfumes or combinations of perfumes and other products. So it can be 3 perfumes, 3 makeup products, or it can be 1 perfume, 1 makeup, 1 wellness, and 1 candle, right? So any combination, unlimited number of products. And then in the past, there was a very big success with cases. So we give you 3 cases with a discount. I think 3 cases, 3 color cases for $25. I think historically this one had the highest conversion rate. And we can also do cases with perfumes. So let's say we have 3 perfumes and 3 color cases. So it's like a lot of flexibility in the old flash sale page. Right now, Anapy and Carolina are redesigning this flash sale page. The only problem is that we only covered 1 case, 1 scenario out of 4. And that's why there will be more work because we have to cover all these cases, because Isamar planned all these kinds of campaigns for 2020. Oh, and I forgot one more. There is one more flash sale, gift sets. So we can also discount gift sets, like 2 gift sets with a discount or 3 gift sets with a discount. So basically, gift set is also like any other item product that can be added into flash sale. So we build flash sale so you can add any product that we have on the website to the flash sale, and you can set like a new price for the bundle. right? So you cannot buy a couple of products from the flash sale. You can only buy a bundle that goes inside the flash sale. So even if you look at the flash sale right now, the design is very simple. So we put the number of products. It can be 2 gift sets. It can be 3 gift sets. It can be 3 perfumes in 3 cases. It can be only 3 cases, or it can be a full-size bottle. And then underneath we have the price. We have the price of the bundle, right? So the bundle price is $30. And then we have some banner that can feature all the things that goes inside the bundle. And then we also show what goes inside the bundle. So this product, the description, so people kind of see that the retail price is $16.95. So they kind of understand that they are saving $20 by purchasing this bundle. So it's a great deal. And then you can also switch between men and women, right? So flash sale is a pretty complex feature, and there will be more work done for that, because we only covered 1 case out of 4 cases right now in the new design.
Yeah, thank you. It's really clear, because as I understand, we have like a flash sale schedules, and
Schedules,
we all,
yes.
yeah.
Yeah, it's in marketing calendar, and the SMR is planning them ahead, right? All right. Do you guys have any other questions about active subscribers or canceled subscribers?
No, I think it's clear. The difference is obvious. And it's really interesting that you can't unsubscribe twice with the gift. Yeah,
with the
smart.
Gift. Yes, yes. So people don't game the system. And again, we're gonna fix it once we completely switch to recurly. So there is one more status that I'm not showing you today because I don't have it. Or actually, we have 10 minutes left. So no, it's not enough time. So we're gonna have one more. I guess maybe it's gonna be our last session. Maybe there will be one more. I still have to cover a case for you when one's card failed. Right, so now we looked at a person with, oh, actually we can look at a lead right now real quick, just a reminder. So as a lead, a person who has a subscription, no, we're not gonna do this. Okay, so we look at leads, people who have an account at Sandbird, but they don't have a subscription, or they've never had a subscription. We'll look at them. We looked at canceled today, and then we looked at a person with active subscription. We have one more status. It's a person with failed card. So this person was an active subscriber, and then on the 5th of the month, we tried to charge this person, and our charge failed. So this person automatically becomes an unpaid customer. We have to recover this person, and we do certain initiatives to recover this person. And I'm going to show it to you next time. While we still have 10 minutes, actually what I'm going to show you is iterable. You guys, some of you saw this tool. For some of you, it's going to be the first time. We use this tool to send emails. And I just want to show you how we send resubscribe emails. So as soon as you cancel your subscription, as soon as you click on cancel button, and we send an event to iterable, the event name is cancel subscription. it triggers an email sequence, and it looks like this. So there is a custom event, cancel subscription. Then we have a delay 14 days. After 14 days, we're gonna have this rule that checks before we send you an email 14 days after, we have to still check if you still have a canceled subscription. Because within 15 days, you can actually, within 14 days, you can actually resubscribe. We don't want to send you an email if you already resubscribed, right? So we check if your status is still canceled. And if your status is still canceled, we see that yes, it is canceled. In this case, we send you an email. And this is how this email looks like. We tell you, hey, you won a free case. Click below to instantly resubscribe and redeem your prize. So another offer that we give you if you resubscribe is a free case. So you resubscribe and you get a free case. Actually, let's see if we have this design. Because I don't remember. No, we don't. Here you go. This is the page. I forgot to show you one more offer. This one is resubscribe and get a free case with your next order. Resubscribe today and get access to over 500 designer niche scents along with a free case, right? Right now, when people resubscribe, they don't get a case. They only get a vial, only a perfume. But here we actually kind of tell you that if you resubscribe today, we're gonna give you a free case. So when people resubscribe, they only get the vial. If they resubscribe with this offer, they're gonna get a silver case and a vial inside. So it's like an additional incentive. Same landing page, right? And just a different offer. And this is the email that we send. Then we have another 7 days delay, and then we send another email. We again promote a free case. Then there is another 7-day delay, and we give you a 50% discount. And then there is another 14 days delay, and we send you this email. We miss you, send bird reward, your next month is free. We give you 3 months, and then another delay, and kind of nothing, right? That's the end of the campaign. All these emails are gonna be updated. I know they kind of look ugly, but Isamar has, it's on her roadmap, right? So all these emails have to be updated. And also, like for product managers, if you're curious, you can always go to kind of campaign analytics, and you can see the open rate, and you can see how many people open the email, and you can also see the number of conversions. So for example, 3,000 people resubscribed with this offer, right? So this is how we kind of close the loop with canceled customers. We send them email notifications, and we also send them push notifications as well via this tool. So we're kind of always trying to bring people back. And right now we have around 40,000 people who cancel their subscription every month. So it's a big number. And we are always kind of trying to get back as many as possible. And right now we resubscribe around 12,000 people every month. And this 12,000 people is around 10% of our user acquisition, of our total user acquisition, right? So it's a big portion of our overall growth. Best in class, and this is the analytics that Alex Shumakov is doing, but best in class recovery rate is 15%. 15% people who canceled, let's say 40,000 people canceled in January 2020. By January 2021, we have to recover 15% of these customers, right? We have to bring them back. And this is the kind of best in class recovery rate. Right now, Alex Kaplun is doing some analytics to kind of see our recovery rate that we have right now. And then after that, we set the base, and we're going to work on the improvements for this channel. That's it. That's our walkthrough. Hope it was helpful. And we're going to finish it by showing you the last user status. And after that, hopefully you guys are going to know much more about Sunbird experience. All right.
Excuse
We
me.
should, I would love to create, sorry, Anna, I would love to create a file that's just like use cases for like resubscription for every kind of person, and a banner for every kind of person, and just have a file that lays all of them out. You know, I think we can do it pretty easily, probably after the rebrand, because I think some things are a little confusing right now, but when
we'll
we
need that
rebrand
before. We'll need that before. We have to do it in Confluence, just like a regular documentation. I'm going to work on the pop-up logic, and then also maybe banners as well. But overall, yes, we need a document that describes payment page for different kinds of people, product page for different kinds of people, homepage for different kinds of people.
But visual, but I think we need to visualize it.
Yeah, with the design, with the design.
So we really like to need the constructor, you know, as we have landing pages, the constructor, when you combine that you need the user status like canceled, and you create a new product, like a new page for the canceled person, the cancel status, and all the design team and product manager also, and somebody from the development team already know which blocks you should use.
Modular. Yeah, this is what I hope we're gonna get once we
sometimes
go into
I'm really
rebrand.
I'm scared that we can't skip it. Because I'm new, and of course we're gonna have some new product designers, and sometimes we skip something. So it's a nice initiative, Benny. I think if I can help in it, like I'm very welcome. It helps everyone.
Yeah, let's see. Let's wait for the
figure
list from Sergey. Yeah, let's wait for the list from Sergey, and then I think it will be easy for us to just like start doing it together for visuals too. So, I mean, I'm already doing some for some.
We will have to do it anyway, because we're gonna go through rebrand. We cannot do rebrand without knowing all these things, and we don't have that many pages that are different for statuses. It's usually like the home page, the footer, the header, and the profile, product page, and maybe gallery, catalog. Everything else is pretty much the same. This is what we can easily do in Figma, I guess. Let me think about it, right? I think that we can do it pretty fast because we have everything we need to build this document.
Like now we have the document that Anna and Kate shared with me, quite nice Figma file with all the elements we have, but they're not about statuses. They're just materials if I need to combine something, or for us with Anna to communicate better when she talked about it. Just мы тут вместе. В общем, было бы классно такую штуку создать.
Да, мы сможем ее создать, да. У нас, в принципе, все есть, нужно только чуть-чуть времени посвятить. Чуть-чуть, да.
Ладно,
так,
спасибо
у меня
большое.
другой звоночек. Я
Спасибо,
вижу.
Сережа, спасибо, пока.
Давайте, пока-пока.